Hi, I'm Sari, here to answer your copyright questions. Today's topic is fair use. First, what is fair use? Fair use allows you to reuse copyright-protected material under certain circumstances without getting permission from the copyright owner. Fair use can't exist on YouTube. If you're a creator, you have the right to argue fair use, but it does not mean that you're protected. And there's always a risk if you're trying to monetize your video. You remove the monetization to your video if you were previously monetizing. Companies can ultimately decide whether the use of someone else's content is protected under fair use. Because of this, our approach has been to empower creators to remove their video whenever possible if they feel that it isn't adding significant value on YouTube. So if you're using any amount of content that you don't own, even a few seconds, you remove the monetization. This forces you to remove the video